Hola chicos, ¿cómo están? Do you know how to flirt in Spanish? If not so, stay there because today I'm going to teach you how to flirt in Spanish with the most beautiful phrases. And it's for both of you, for men and women. So let's start right now. Let's find the love of your life right now. Número 1. Phrase number 1. ¿Crees en el amor a primera vista o tengo que pasar otra vez? ¿Crees en el amor a primera vista o tengo que pasar otra vez? Do you believe in love at first sight or should I walk by again? Beautiful. Don't tell me it's not beautiful. Very nice. Número 2. Number 2. Eres como un café. Caliente, fuerte y adictivo. Eres como un café. Caliente, fuerte y adictivo. You are like coffee, hot, strong, and addictive. Beautiful too. Número 3. Si besarte fuera un pecado, me iría directo al infierno. Si besarte fuera un pecado, me iría directo al infierno. Oh my god, this is amazing. If kissing you were a sin, I'd go straight to hell. If you tell this expression, this phrase, to a man or woman and there's no reaction, run away. But one thing before reading number 4, every time you're going to do this, and let me be serious because this is serious now. If you're going to use these phrases with another person, be always respectful, okay? Always with respect. So that's why I chose these phrases. They are all beautiful but respectful, okay? Don't forget. Muy bien. Número 4. Número 4. ¿Tienes algo en la cara? Ah, no. Solo la sonrisa más hermosa que he visto. I'll read it again. ¿Tienes algo en la cara? Ah, no. Es solo la sonrisa más hermosa que he visto. You have something in your face. Oh, never mind. It's just the most beautiful smile I've ever seen. Very good, very good. Take notes. Take notes. When you go to Spain or Latin America, or if you are in love with a man, woman who speaks Spanish, you can use these phrases with them. Okay. Número 5. But before number 5, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, help us to grow so that I can continue teaching you these useful phrases. We have video for everything, guys. We have phrases when you go to the airport, supermarket, restaurant, ask for direction, everything. We prepare a full course with all these phrases, which I'm going to leave you here. Okay, watch it. But when you finish this one, not now, finish this one before, because these phrases are very important. Love is important. Número 6. Número 6. ¿Eres Google? Porque tienes todo lo que busco. ¿Eres Google? Porque tienes todo lo que busco. Are you Google? Because you have everything I'm looking for. Okay. I recognize this one is a little bit cheesy, but it's nice too, you know. At least you will make him or her laugh. Número 7. Número 7. No soy fotógrafo, pero juntos haríamos una linda imagen. No soy fotógrafo, pero juntos haríamos una linda imagen. I'm not a photographer, but we'd make a beautiful picture together. Very nice. Muy bien. Very good, very good. Número 8. Número 8. Eres como un buen vino, mejoras con el tiempo. Eres como un buen vino, mejoras con el tiempo. You're like fine wine, you get better with time. Okay, this one, I knew this one. This one I knew it. Very good, very good. Very, very nice. Perfecto. Número 9. Número 9. Before number 9, and before I forget, please leave me a comment with any phrase you have used with a man or a woman in English or in Spanish. If it is in Spanish, even better, but if it is in English, leave it there. I will be more than happy to read it and take notes too. But if you have a couple, if you are married, if you have a girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, only use it with them. Only use it with your couple. Don't cheat. And let me be serious here. Please pay attention to this. This community is a community of serious people, faithful people, reliable people. Don't cheat. Don't cheat. Número 9. Number 9. No soy mago, pero puedo hacer que te enamores de mí. No soy mago, pero puedo hacer que te enamores de mí. I'm not a magician, but I can make you fall in love for me. I'm not a magician, but I can make you fall for me. Perfecto. Muy bien. Número 10. Número 10. Contigo hasta el wifi tiene más conexión. Contigo hasta el wifi tiene más conexión. With you, even the Wi-Fi has stronger connection. Perfecto, chicas. Ya sabemos 10 frases que nos van a ayudar a encontrar el amor. So, 10 phrases to help us to find our love. Nuestra media naranja. Okay? Our other half. In Spanish we say media naranja. So, our other half. Perfecto, chicos. Buen trabajo. Remember, if you want to join our community, I leave you in the description our WhatsApp group, our newsletter where I send you videos, I send you Spanish lesson for free. Continue learning Spanish. Don't stop. We have tons of videos in our channel, Español con Leo. Check it, see it, read it. Leave me comments with any type of video you want me to make. I will be more than happy to do it. Thank you very much. I love you. Hasta luego.